This was our previous project, which is digital tachometer using 8051, whose output is not reflecting. So here we have used the 3 7 segment display to display the output, and for the input, this here is the input section, and in the input section, this is the optical pickup based on photo transistor here for, and here is the LED, red LED light. So when the reflective strip, this needs to be an reflective strip on the fan of the motor, so that the red LED reflects, so that the red light from the red LED reflects on the phototransistor, and the input should be taken. So here, on the reflective when the reflective strip on the rotating object passes in front of the sensor assembly, it falls on the phototransistor. As a result, it collects voltage drops towards zero, and then one op amp is also used here, so that inside the quad LM, here, so that inside the quad LMV 324, which converts the stripy collector waveform into a neat square pulse, so it can be applied to the microcontroller to do the necessary mathematics. So every time collector voltage goes beyond 3.5 volt, the output goes negative saturation, and hence the square wave is generated. In this project, we measure the number of times for which the collector voltage drops or goes above the 3.5 volt in a second, from which we will get the our desired output. Here 8051 does uh, two jobs: count the number of negative going pulses available at its T1 pin, and do all the necessary mathematics and display the count on the uh, 3 digit display. So our reference was the hardware based project, and we tried to do this uh, on the software simulation. So there were some difficulties here. It can yes it like it cannot detect the necessary input, as it needs some reflective surface on the motor fan, so that the light can fall on the phototransistor. So we tried using it, using another source of input. So we tried the IR obstacle sensor, but it also didn't work, as the size of the motor fan is comparatively very less than the IR obstacle sensor, so the sensor can't detect the required input. So this project, uh, when I run this, the output only comes zero, as it is not collecting any input, as it needs the reflecting surface on the motor fan, so that the reflected light goes to the phototransistor, and it collects the data. So this program cannot run. Thank you, ma'am.